S&D, bruh.
Hey guys, if you're here, you're tuning in to find out how to change a side marker light on a Ford F-150 from the years of 97 to 03. Well, let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it. Side marker light. That's what we're going to be doing today. As you can see, my light's out. Got a replacement, factory replacement. All you need to change it is a looks like a 7mm socket. And I'll show you right here what it looks like. Going over here to the side marker light. This is the bolt you're taking out right here. 7mm socket. Let's do that right now. As soon as you get that bolt out, you should be able to just slide this out. Should be able to pop out. You got these these locking things. Bulb out. Alright, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to line up the tabs with the hole so it just slides right in and locks into place. Alright, now I'm just replacing the bolt. And that's it. That's all there is to it to change that side marker light out. And it works. That's it. And that's how easy it is to change the side marker light. If you learned something, man, please hit that subscribe button. Let's grow.
S&D gang, yeah.